It's really important for me to create a what you see is what you get kind of effect. So every time I do a recording, I use Zoom, I record on Zoom so that anyone who is watching it can get a really good idea of what the finished product looks like. So it's really important that when you do a Zoom or a communication like this, you remove all distractions from the background, you make sure your framing and lighting are okay. But more importantly, it's looking into the camera. It's really creating that one-to-one connection that is so important when you're doing a video communication. See, because if I look down and I start going like this and saying, oh, yeah, what's that? And what's that? What's that? That is your immediate excuse to check your iPhone. Remember, without that person to person connection, you really are struggling to really effectively communicate because it's so easy for someone to get distracted. So, as long as I'm looking at you straight in the eye, it's kind of hard to look away because it almost gives you the feeling that I'm speaking directly to you. So to me, I always try to remember that it's not so important that I get broadcast quality sound and broadcast quality lighting. It's just important to remove all distractions, make sure you have a clear, effective communication, and make sure that what you say doesn't involve a cat moving on the other end of the video.